Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about how to create container from Docker Hub, how to create Docker images from existing container and how to push Docker images on Docker Hub. So all these things we will do practical also. So firstly we will see that how can we create these things. Let's move on. How to create container from Docker Hub. Open browser and open Docker Hub. After that search images what you want to download and make container Docker images. So there are two options to create a container. First you will have to pull Docker images from Docker Hub and then you can create container. And second option, you can run direct Docker run command to create a container from Docker Hub. So there is some steps which you need to be follow one by one, and in this practical we will do live one project, one website, and we can access from outside the Docker container. So how can we do to create container with container name and expose port? So what is the command? Docker space run space hyphen it space hyphen name. What is the name of that? ONS is our name of container, and space hyphen p80, it's the port number of outside to access, and colon 80, it is a inside port number of access to nginx, and space nginx colon latest, you can say that it is our image name which is on Docker Hub. So in this thing you can create a container on your system. After that you will have to exit, and after the exit the container you will means it will be stopped. So you will have to start your container docker space start space ons. So in this case we have what we have done so far, we have created a container from Docker Hub. Okay, so now we are going to run live website, so please follow the steps to live nginx server with website. Okay, to create a file which name is a index.html by using nano editor tool, we are using here nano editor tool, and to create a index.html file. After that we will copy and paste our code in the index.html file, and then we save and exit from the nano editor. After that we have to run this command on the our system. So to copy index.html file and paste it in nginx directory. So what is the command of this? Docker cp we use for copy index.html. We have put here file name why because it is a current directory where we have put our index.html file. So that's why we don't put here whole location, we put here only file name, and it will be copy on the on container. So what is the container name? Here we have a container name is ons. So ons colon, it's the path of copy to nginx directory. So what is the path? Slash user slash share slash nginx slash html. So after that what you have to do, you have to open your browser on your system where you have installed Docker engine. So after that you can type ip address of that system, local system, and we will have to put a port number which you have exposed. So where we have to put 192.168.1.colon.80. It is our such as a, it is an example that you have to put your IP address and port number when you open on browser. So let's move on our practical side, and we will see that how can we do this all this thing. You can see my screen. I have login root. I have access of root. So now what we have to do, we have to create a container. Let me check first we have already container or not. So how can we check? Docker ps hyphen a. So we have not container, and let's check that we have images or not. So in our local directory there is no container and no images any. So what we have to do, we have to create container, and we have to create a container, and we have to open port, and we have to assign container name also. So how can we run? We have to run docker run hyphen it hyphen name. After that we have to put the name of docker container ons. After that we have to open ports. So how can we do? We have to use hyphen p port 80 colon port 80. After that we have to write our images name which is on Docker Hub. Type here nginx latest, press enter. So firstly it will find out the this images that you have in your local or not. So it is not in your local system, so it is pulling from the Docker Hub this library nginx latest. So it is being downloading here, you can see here. So it will take some time, so just wait till then it's complete. Now Docker container has been created on our system. So how can we check? Firstly, we will have to clear it. So type clear, and after that we have to type here docker ps hyphen a. So we will see here that our Docker is created 3 minutes ago and it is a exit mode, means it is a stop mode. We have to type docker start name of container, or we can use container id. So we are using here name of container and press enter. So it has been start. How can you check? You have to type here ps docker ps. So you can see here that your container has been start. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to create an index.html file. So how can you create? We are using nano index.html and press enter. So in this case we have to copy our code and paste. It is our code, we are going to copy and we are going to paste. We have pasted here, and now we have to save it and exit from this nano editor. So control x press, it will ask to modify to save the changes. So yes, and press enter. So it will save your file and exit from there. So now what you have to do, you have to run one command to copy index html in your Docker container. So how can you do? You can use docker cp index.html space. After that you have to put here container name or container id. We are using here container name colon. After that what we have to type, we have to use nginx directory. So what? Slash usr slash share slash nginx slash html slash. After that we will press, so our file index.html file will be copied in the nginx directory. So how can we check that our website is accessible or not? How can we check? We have to go on our system, type the ip address of system and port number, so we will can access. It is our system of Ubuntu where we have installed the Docker. So right click on that, open terminal and check what is the IP of your system. IP address of system is 192.168.1.13. So close it and open browser and type here 192.168.1.13 and port number as well and enter. So you will see here that my website is running whatever I have host on my container. So you can see here that my website is running perfectly. Okay, so in this practical we see that how can we create container from Docker Hub images. So now move on how to create images from existing Docker container. If you have an existing Docker container on your system and you want to make images from Docker container, so please follow the instruction as mentioned below. To check container name or container ID, type the docker space ps. To create images from existing Docker container, what you have to type in command docker space commit space ons. It is our container name space Syed Hussain. Syed Hussain, I have used here Syed Hussain. I have mentioned here that what is the why we use Syed Hussain here slash nginx colon v1 ons. It is a container name. You can use container id or container name. So we are using here container name Syed Hussain slash nginx. It is a account name on Docker Hub and images name also when you commit on container ID to create images. When you commit, it will create images on your system in the name of sales and slash nginx. It is need when you push images on Docker Hub for repository. So name should be matches when you push your images from local system to Docker Hub. So it is mandatory that your user ID should be matched from local images. V is a it is a tag name. V is just like a tag name. To check images, Docker space images. Let's move on another, that how to push Docker images on your Docker hub. Means suppose if you have a Docker images on your local system and you want to make publicly available of that images on Docker hub, so how can you push Docker images on Docker hub? So let's see. If you have a Docker images on your local system and you want to push Docker images on Docker hub, so please follow the instruction as mentioned. To check images that there is any images on your system or not, Docker images. To log in Docker hub on your local system, you will have to type Docker login. It will ask for user ID and password. So you will put the user ID and password. Then you can it will show that you have login on Docker hub successfully. After that, what you have to do, you have to push Docker images on Docker hub. So you what you have to command push Docker space push space what is the name of images with tag. What is your tag? So after that, press enter. It will be start your images uploading on your Docker hub. After the completing pushing task, you can check your images on Docker hub. So you will have to open Docker hub and then you can check that your images has been uploaded here or not. So let's move on to our practical. We will do both how to create images from existing Docker container and how to push Docker images on Docker hub. So let's move on our practical. You can see my system. I am logging here root ID. You can see I am logging here root ID. So first we have to do, we have to create images from existing Docker containers. Recently we have created a Docker container. So we need to check that the Docker container is existing or not. So let's check. Firstly, we have to type here Docker PS. So our container is running. So container ID is this and container name is this. So means we have one Docker existing Docker container. So what we have to do, we have to commit, means we have to create image from our existing Docker images. So existing Docker container. So let's move. What we have to do, we have to type command docker space commit. After that we have to put the name here of our container, whether we can use our container id or name of container. So we are using here container name. Okay, after that we will use our Syed Hussain. It is our repository, or you can say it is our Docker Hub login ID. After that you have to press slash and what you want to give the name of images, so you can put here I am giving my image name is nginx and v1 is we are tagging here as a v1 means version 1. After that we will press enter. So it will start and create your images from Docker container. How can you check? You have to type Docker images, enter. So you can see here there are two images. One is nginx, second is Syed Hussain slash nginx, which you have given above the name of Syed Hussain slash nginx, and v1 is a tag. So once you have created the images from your Docker container, existing Docker container, so I think you know, and you can easily create images from any Docker container which is on your local system. After that we will see that how can we push our existing Docker images on Docker hub. So firstly you need to see my Docker hub page. This is my Docker hub. I am logging in from my ID. You can see here that I have already uploaded two repository, and you can say that two image which can you access through this command. You have to go here and tag. You can use this command in your system. So we are going to upload one another repository on my ID. So let's go. So it is our system. What we have to do, we have images as we have checked above. This is command to use to check how many images we have. Firstly, we have to log in on the Docker Hub. So what we have to type Docker login. Enter. It will ask for your username. What is my username? Syed Hussain. And I will type my password. Enter. You will see here that I have login successfully means if I will upload any images on my ID, so I can successfully upload. So how can I upload? I have to type here docker push, and I will have to type repository name and tag name also v1. After that we will click enter, press enter. So it is uploading your images on Docker Hub. You can check here to push refer to repository docker.io slash Syed Hussain slash nginx pushed layer already exists. So you can see here that my image is uploaded on Docker Hub. So how can you check? You can check on Docker Hub. So let's move on Docker Hub website. You can see here there are two, but when I refresh it, so you will get here three. Might be three. No, you will not get here. There is another version. It is already existing in the same name. That's why it's not showing here. But here you will see two tag. Earlier you were watching only one tag, that was the latest, and v1 is recently uploaded on our Docker Hub ID. So you can see here that we have uploaded it few second ago. So you can change also in the name, and after that you can upload. So it will be upload successfully. If you want to use these images on your system, so you will have to click on tag, and you will get two tag version. So whatever version you want to select, you can copy and paste on your system. I will copy it and I will go on my terminal, paste, and I will press enter. So it will start copy all the images from Docker Hub to on my system, but it will show error. Why? Because the image is up to date already on my system. That's why it is not creating any images or container on my system. Docker space images, the same name and same tab. That's why it is not. If I will delete it, docker rmi enter. So it, sorry, you will have to put tag name also v1. If I will go to check that how many images on my system, docker image, so you will see here only one images. If I pull my Docker Hub images on my local system, so I will have to copy and paste my command docker pull sales and slash nginx colon v1 and press enter. So it will start to uploading that images on my local system. Okay, you can see that already file from their cache. So that's why it's showing that already exists docker images. So you will see that there is a two images. One is Nginx, second is Syed Hussain slash Nginx. So in this tutorial, we see how to create a container from Docker Hub, how to create images from existing Docker container, and how to push Docker images on Docker Hub. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates first. Thanks for watching.